up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna start trying to get this thing tore apart and see what the extent of the damage is, and see what can be fixed and see what can't, and see what needs to be replaced. We're gonna get at it. Dad's already digging on, drilling out some stuff. We're gonna start with getting this hood and the fender and the door off and go from there. Door's off, fender's off. That bottom brace there may be fine. I think it'll be reusable. It didn't get bent. Just the braces that go this way, they got bent, but I've pushed them back out. But no chassis damage. Looks like it's been done. It did fold the ear in there on the 4-bar bracket, but I think we can bend it back out. It'd be fine. 4-bar rods look good. They don't look like they're bent. Everything else looks pretty good. It's just my door bar is a little tweaked. And there's my A-post and this piece of decking. My fender got a little bit, but it'll be all right. I can straighten it out. There's the door. It ripped the whole end off of it. So, door's shot. Gonna need a new door. And Dad's fixing to try to straighten this bracket out here. Oh yeah, look at that. Like it was never bent.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Brand and new.
Brand and new. I'm glad I didn't get into that fire bottle there and puncture that. That would have been a mess. But we're gotta get this crap off now. It's killed that. So we're gonna work on that. Well, here's day one of teardown. This is what we got left. Nothing. Yeah. That's got to come out too at some point. Not today. But at some point, it's got to come out. But there we go. Bare. This car's never been tore up this bad. It's been bad, but it ain't never been this bad. So, here it is. Oh well, right there's a piece of decking. That's a piece of decking. Another piece of decking. Another piece of decking. Door bar. Bumper. Quarter. Door. So, yeah. That's all we're gonna mess with tonight, I think. I think we're gonna get up here and chill out. So, see y'all sometime. Tomorrow, maybe. Something. I don't know.
y'all, we have the fuel cell out of this mug.
Out.
She's out. So,
Alright, so this is the front side. It knocked it into the freaking bar back here. It dented it there. It's rusting out there, so it was due for one anyway. Yeah, but I just didn't want to do it.
How old was this fuel cell? 15 years?
Yeah.
Right around there, maybe? I don't know.
Oh. And then all that wonderful damage.
Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Let me get him on the back side here. Hold on. Let me get on the back side. Ain't worse on this side?
No.
No? Oh, well. Right
Buckled it right there.
Nope. Yeah, buckled it. So, yeah. New fuel cell eventually coming soon.
I'm fixing to order one
Sometime soon. But, yeah, she's out. We're going to do a few more things. And, yeah. Yeah, we'll probably do that this week. Yeah. Kilt. K-I-L-T. Kilt. So.
Got a number on it.
But yeah. We're going to get a new fuel cell for it. And, yeah. Going to figure out what to do next for this thing.
Alright, y'all. Car's washed. Got it back in the shop. Looks a lot better than it did. It ain't quite as nasty. So, fuel cell's out of it. It's sitting there. Gotta wait and get another one. I'm gonna be ordering one sometime. I don't know when, but we got it out. Finally got it washed today, so we got a clean race car to work on now. But probably gonna do it for tonight.
We got half of a clean race car.
You got half of a clean race car. Yeah, look at that. Half of a clean race car. But we're gonna get the rest of this stuff put back up in the shop, and it's starting to get flipping cold, so we're probably gonna head in for the night. But sorry for all the time lapses in this video. But I mean, it would have been a long video if I could video all of this. But I'll try to limit the time lapses from here on out. So
if we had some hot chicks in bathing suits washing it, we wouldn't put it on time lapse, but we ain't got them.
yeah, what he said. So, yeah, we're gonna get this crap put back in here and go to the house. See y'all maybe tomorrow or something, sometime. I don't know. What's up, y'all? I'm back down here tonight. It's Friday night. A little head congested. Flipping allergies have been wearing me out. Everything's starting to bloom with this warm weather we've been having, and it is killing me. But anyway, I've been doing a little spraying here on the back half of the chassis where the fuel cell was. So that all looks brand new, so it's freshly re-powder coated. So, but anyway, looks a heck of a lot better than it did. It was all scratched up. We had touched up this old fuel cell some with some red paint. So the chassis had red paint all over it from overspray, and it looked crappy. So got that a little more touched up. I'm waiting on my new fuel cell. I ordered it last night, so it's supposed to be here in a couple days. I wish it would get here tomorrow. That would be really sweet, but I'm figuring it's probably going to be more like Monday or Tuesday. But I wish it would hurry and get here so I can get started on getting that put back together, because I'm going to have to fabricate a bracket for it, because the old one I got won't work. And so but we'll have to get all that in here and get it situated. And I got to get some new deck pieces made, but I'm gonna put my fuel cell in here, get it to the height I need it, and I want to get that in before I start the deck, because if I start the deck, then the deck's got to come back out and put the fuel cell in. So anyway, waiting on that. It's on the way, it's ordered, so hopefully it'll get here in the next couple of days and we can get started on putting that back in, putting everything back together. I'm going to replace a few lines here on the back end. It's still got the old lines, the blue. It's not even braided hose, it's just regular old rubber. But so yeah, that's happening. Yeah, so the guy that done the deck and the body on this thing when it was done the first time, it was MT Fabrication, one of my sponsors. So I might possibly, I need to get a hold of him and see if he could work me in, and because he's got some of my leftover sheet metal that's still down there that we used on it from the last time. So maybe that'll save us a little bit of money by having those pieces down there. So, but I'm going to attempt here in just a minute. I'm gonna hang up this door from the right side. Y'all may get a show. I may fall off this ladder and nah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna try to kind of put it on the angle up here above my other one, so we'll see how it works. I'm gonna let y'all watch this. Yeah, this ought to be interesting. I need more than one person down here doing this. Kind of hard for a one-man job. So we're gonna give it a shot. It may not work at all. Dang it. Y'all might be fixing to see me fall. Kids, don't do this at home. Very dangerous. Okay, no, we're good. Oh no, I dropped it again. I think that went in the trash can. If it did, I'm picking it up. Nope, there it is. Lord. Boom. Doors, I swear I dropped it again. Where did it go this time? I don't know where it's at this time, but I'm done now, so don't matter. Alright, Chelsea. Other door's hung up. I've been meaning to get another door put in here, but I've been too cheap to buy more sheet metal, so I just keep peeling the wrap off and rewrapping them. But that one's a little too messed up to fix. So we're just gonna hang him there. We're gonna get us a new door. He's that there's been on there for, well, this is going on the 3rd year now, so he's put in his time. So there it is. Probably gonna head up to the house. I've had the door open. It's been pretty cold. It ain't terrible. I mean, it feels pretty good with this jacket on, but it's been a little chilly in the evenings and at night. But we had another light to go out the shop. That went out today, so that one and that one over there is out. So we're gonna have to get to replacing some lights so we can see what the crap we're doing in here. Back in the car back here is pretty dark now, so gonna have to get address that situation. And yeah, probably gonna head to the house. So I will see y'all, I don't know when. I'll be down here again probably tomorrow. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. What's up, y'all? Monday night. Well, yeah, night now. But I'm down here for a quick few seconds. It's gonna be the end of the video for this video, but my fuel cell came in. It got here yesterday, actually. I was surprised they delivered it on Sunday, but anyway, it got here, so we're just gonna check to see if it fits, because it is like -30 in this building. It's flipping cold. But I'm just checking to make sure it's gonna fit, and I've still got to make some brackets for it and everything, get it mounted in right. So we're gonna make sure it fits, and then we're gonna go back to the house. So we'll let y'all watch. It's gonna fit once I get the brackets made for it.
It will fit.
Yeah. Probably gonna need to set back right there.
Yep.
Somewhere right in there. Cool. Yep. So, there it is, new fuel cell. Fresh from the factory. Yep, that ain't gonna do nothing. Alright, y'all, so fuel cell's here. It will fit in the hole. And I think I'm not gonna have to buy any tubing, because I think the bracket off of this old fuel cell I can take and cut it down, shorten it, do some fab work on it, and make it fit that fuel cell. So I think that's what we're gonna do. That's the game plan anyway. We're gonna try it. If it don't work, I'll just buy some tubing and make another one. So that's the game plan. That's what we're gonna stick with. Probably gonna get to working on that tomorrow. That'll be on the next video, because it's flipping cold down here. And it is after 8 o'clock now. I had to plug and seed and fertilize the yard when I got home, so I didn't get down here early. So I had other stuff to do, but we're gonna get busy tomorrow and get some of that stuff done. So that's gonna do it for this video. Well, thank y'all for watching, supporting us, and riding this thing out with us. We are slowly getting this thing back together. So as soon as we can get it put back together, we're going to a racetrack somewhere and start back at it again. So, but we want to thank everybody. Y'all like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the little notification bell. Let you know when we post new videos. And we'll see y'all on the next one.